Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a shareable profile frame in Canva. So shareable profile frames are good for people to use on their social media, on their CVs, in marketing and branding stuff. And you can create these and give them away for free as lead magnets or sell them if you're into selling digital products. So this is how you create one. So from your Canva homepage, we're going to click on create, and then we're going to scroll down and click on custom size. So I already have it typed in, but we're going to add in 1080, 1000 by 1080. That gives us a square design, and then click on create new design. So you can create these from scratch, but you can also use templates that Canva has, which are really, really helpful. You can edit them with your own colors and fonts and things. So they're really easy to use. So I'm just going to type in profile picture, and you can see lots of different ones come up. So let's have a look. Quite like that one. I quite like this one as well. So I'm just going to undo that one and click on this one. So as you can see, it's quite nicely designed. It's got a little bit of detail around the edge, and it's got the circle and the profile picture. Obviously, if I'm going to give these away, you can delete the profile picture. So I'm just going to click on that and delete it. And you can see anyone else can just drag and drop their own photo into here and use it wherever they want. So once you're happy with your profile frame picture, just give it a name. And I'm just going to call it profile frame. Then you can share it in a few different ways. So in the top right hand corner, I'm going to click on share. So what you can do, you can change the access level. So by default, it's probably set to only you can access. So if you want to give people access to this profile frame, you can change access to anyone with the link. You can also leave it as it is, and you can download it and share it as a PNG. It's totally up to you. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.